What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just picked up the new iPhone 11 in purple. So the new iPhones came out in some colors, and I have not checked them out in person, so I thought I would check this one out. It is the iPhone 11 in purple, as my friends would say. Woo! Look at that. Pretty amazing. I'm just kidding. Front glass ain't gonna tell us anything. It's all on the back. Oh, everything's coming apart. And there it is, looking pretty nice. You know, I would say it's all the colors that Apple's come out with are pretty kind of muted, a little faded, a little pastel-y, but not in a bad way. They're not kind of strike you in your face, really obvious. And so I'm gonna pull off the plastic there. It's so satisfying. Is there any plastic on the back? I guess not. So we get a Gorilla Glass back here, and as you can see, it's just a little kind of violet. I mean, it's like the color is very muted behind the glass, and then you have this really strong Gorilla Glass on the outside. You can see here that the aluminum case is also anodized in a very close color match there. You see the bands there, the buttons. Even what's kind of cool about the camera housing is you can see how it's kind of frosted, but I think it's all one piece. I think it's either sandblasted or blasted finish microphone. I mean, it's kind of nice. You can see the anodized aluminum rings around the sapphire lenses there. And again, because this is the 11, the consumer model, the retail model, there's only two cameras there, telephoto and normal, or the 1X, 2X, I think, not the ultra wide angle, the 0.5X. SIM card tray there, lightning port, and you can see the microphone and speaker grills. Nice buttons here, man. Everything about it is just super nice. Nice solid feel of the switches, and then a huge Gorilla Glass front. And then if we go to the box itself, we've got the paperwork, Apple stickers. We also have right here ear pods, which are nice. And we also have the lightning cable and the charging block right there. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this because I think that's pretty nice looking. I do like purple, Northwestern color, royalty, but it's not bad. It's not overdone in any way. Hey, if you want to pick up an iPhone 11, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.